Hi, my student ID is 13. It's 1435-58, and my name is Channy Naikos. I'm doing the assignment 1 for network penetration. So, network vulnerability penetration testing. The first exploit will be ARP spoofing. So we need to install it, so I'm just going to install ARP spoofing, sudo apt install this thing. Sorry, it's sudo apt install, so it's installing. So basically for exploit 1 I'm going to use Kali Linux and Windows 8, and as you can see on my screen, the IP address of Windows 8 is 192.168.56.119. So in the meanwhile installing ARP spoofing is something that imitate the server and manipulate Windows 8, which is my client. So in the meanwhile it's installing icon. So that's right. It's waiting, still loading. So almost there. So here we go. So we type nmap 192.168.156.11, and we put the range, not just the IP address. So the range is 120, since the IP address is finishing by 190, so 111 to 120. So now it's gonna start. So here we can see the MAC address. First thing I'm gonna do for ARP spoofing is type ARP spoof. So yeah, so I'm typing ARP spoof 192.168.56.190, 192.168.56.116, and we press enter. So as you can see, it's getting a response. So I'm opening Wireshark. So let's open Wireshark, hit that 0, and we type in 192. So IP address 192.168.56.119. So let's go to a website on Windows 8 and we'll open Uber Eats, for example, whichever website. So let's type in Uber Eats. So in the meanwhile, it's gonna take time to get something, to get a response, so we just wait. Let's wait. We have to wait for the packets to be sent. So I'm just gonna open a new window and try again. So let's type in again. Here, peace proof 192, 168, 156, 116, 192, 168, 56, 119. So let's minimize that and we'll see. Oh, here we go. We got some requests. As you can see, we got some packet sets from window 8. So here, as you can see, so now my exploit 1 is done. So I'm going to show you the exploit 2. But for this one, we're not going to use window. We're just going to use Kali Linux again and Ubuntu server. So I'm just going to log in on Ubuntu. So I'm going to log in, and since I was having trouble with the assignment, I had to borrow my friend's laptop. So I'm using her VirtualBox itself. So let's see. Now we will be attacking Ubuntu server using Hydra and Kali Linux. So for that we gotta download SSH, update. So we do sort of apt-get install putty tools, and then it's gonna install, and then we do service SSH start, enable, and we need to type in the status to see if it's active or not. And as you can see, it's active, so we can start our exploiting now on the Kali Linux. So we type in a map 192, 168, 56, 116. So as you can see that there is 2 ports, SSH and the HTTP. We're gonna focus on SSH, so we will need to use a password list that I've created on my own, or you still can find it on Kali Linux as well. But since I've created, there was already one created on the Kali Linux, so I'm gonna use that one. So we're gonna do Hydra, username, which is Tanvi, -p, root, downloads, password.txt, close the quoted comma. So let's type. So SSH/192.168.56.116, and I will show you the password file that I've created that was already on it. So we go on download password text. So you can see there was the password and the username, and then we type enter. So here you go, you can see the host, which is the IP address of the Ubuntu 192.168.56.116 login Tanvi, as well as the password. So target successful, as you can see, successfully completed. One valid password found on Hydra. So we're just gonna type in SSH username Tanvi, and then the IP address, which is 192.168.56 and 116. And yes. So just gonna type in the password 123456. Enter. And here you go, you can see that we are actually on the Ubuntu server now at Tanvi VirtualBox. So here we go. So we're just gonna do IP config. Let's see. So the IP address is 192.168.56.116. The net mask 25555.255.255.0. So here we go. Exploit 2 done, and now we're gonna use exploit 3, which is attack through Metasploit. And for that we need to go on MFS console. So let's go there. So type MFS console on Kali. It's gonna take time. So here we are in MFS console. So just type, as you can see it's starting. So let's type use auxiliary docs. TCP the same flood. System flood is an attack basically sends continuous requests, making the Ubuntu flooded with SYN requests and slowing down the server or shut down the server.